Hi friends, this is Skills 2, Lesson 5. We're going to jump right into blending our sounds together. We're going to do the shoulder, elbow, wrist as we have been doing, I think, the past couple days. We're going to start with our sounds first. Are you ready? Back up to the shoulder and blend those sounds together. Mat. Mat. Next word. I. Sh. Ish. Wish. Next word. Eat. Neat. Neat. Fight. 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 Next word. Sit. 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 Next, zip, zip, zip. Next word, sun, sun, sun. Next word, and this is the last one, eat, meat. Parents, if you would like to pause here, if your learners are still struggling, you may do this again. If not, then we are going to move on. But parents, if you pause, just pick right back up when you're ready. Okay, this is a shell. The sounds are sh, o. Say the word shell. Now say the sounds with me. Sh, o. Shell. Good job. This is a picture of mice. Now say that together with me. Mice. Mice. This is a fan. The sounds are n. Fan. Say it with me. Fan. Next one is wave. Wave. Say that with me. Wave. Alright, since this is a very new skill as well, you can pause here, and if you wanted to go over any of those again, you can. In the workbook, we're going to be doing, let's see, I think it is, I lost my place in my book, sorry, 5.1 and 5.2, I believe, and you will practice the spirals. In the workbook, they're on snails. And then after that, you're going to get one of your name tracing sheets and trace your name. We only did do the first name right now. If you've already used all of those, then you can have the child trace over it again in a different color. And then that way they'll be able to see what it is over what they've already done, and then at the bottom have them write their name by theirself. Okay? Thanks for listening. Thanks for participating, and you have a great day.